Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can unlock tags or mentions in Instagram history on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Be sure to write whether it helped you or not. I'll be sure to read and respond. Let's go. To do this, we need to go to Instagram. Open our profile. After that, we click with you on Add Story. Choose any picture or video. And then let's say we put some tag. Let's say we choose a location. Let's say we put the word Los Angeles. Let's add a location. And we've added another mention. And as you can see, it appears on the screen. Now, how do we hide or remove tags or mentions in the Instagram story? We just need to select this text or mention and remove it to the bottom. After that, we remove the second mention and remove it to the bottom. Open the story and black screen. After that, you won't have it anymore. It will be a normal screen. You click Add Story. You add it, and it looks like the screen is clean. But in fact, you still have the mentions. But people will see nothing of this. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, put likes. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.